If you're watching this video, there is a good chance you have come across the DuroMax conundrum. Their exhaust ports are proprietary, the spacing is proprietary, the heads are different, and you couldn't find an exhaust that fits. That's because you need to go to DuroMax and call them directly, and you need to ask for these two part numbers. This is the exhaust gasket, and this is the muffler in question. Now, one thing I want you to note is that it says XP23HPE. They have two different muffler versions for the XP23HPE. You need to make sure that you specify exact part number for what you want, or you will end up with the wrong one. It fits amazing. Right down here, this is a 10-inch pulley that we use on our racing tractors. As you can see, there is more than enough clearance underneath here. I could fit a 12-inch pulley easily without flinching. Now, it is only side ported to this side, so you're going to have to plan ahead for that. Sorry for getting so up close. The shroud is awesome. Very good thickness. The whole entire muffler is made out of some rugged stuff. And it's got bracing mounts that were already set up in order to go into the side of the head. So I really like this. We're going to throw it onto our plow tractor that we had to make a custom exhaust system on and see how it sounds. When DuroMax got a hold of me about testing their engine and stuff, they told me to be abusive, and so that is exactly what we have done. Obviously, this is my plow tractor slash dirt mover slash rock mover. Haul everything out of the backyard. We moved a shed using the DuroMax. We have done everything with it. But when these engines were first brought out, they were brought out as a repower engine, and what I later ended up discussing with DuroMax was that the reason they don't come with a muffler is because DuroMax figured as a repower, it would get put into the muffler system of what it was going into. And I guess in a sense that makes sense. So here we are with a Kohler muffler for a repower, because a lot of newer GT6000s came with Kohlers on them. And so it has worked. But the real reality is, I'd love to have the muffler that was actually designed to go on the engine. I get asked all the time about why I have this janky, raunchy John Deere seat that falls off. I use this as a plow tractor in the winter. I literally grab the top of it and take it inside with me when I'm done plowing. And during the summertime, I just pick it up and I dump all the water off. Now, before we fire this thing up, I did want to point out that we do potentially have an option for the golf cart guys. This is a header pipe that goes with another generator that they have that they sent me, and it does bolt to the standalone engine setup, and it goes on like this, so you would end up with this flange coming out here, but it would take nothing to cut out something that bolts up to that and ties it in with your exhaust system. So this is DH720 95214 if you want to call into DuroMax and bug them for one of these. But that's enough of that. I want to hear what this thing sounds like now. Choke on, clutch down, here we go. There we go. I think that sounds way better. Now, do me a favor, down in the comments section, let DuroMax know whether they should be hosting these mufflers on the Amazon page also. I know a lot of us order up the 440s off of Amazon, and I know that the 713 gets bought off of Amazon quite often. So do you think they should host the muffler option also on Amazon, or just have it as a call-in part? And the other thing I wanted to say is, if you're having issues with your DuroMax, I do run a Facebook group along with a couple other YouTubers at this point called DuroMax Engine Modders. And we do tractors, we do mini bikes, we do ditch witches, we do pumps, we do some generator stuff. We do just about everything in our little DuroMax group. So if you'd like to join, I'll have a link for it down in the description. And have a good day.